everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Celeste, and for today's video, I'm excited to show you how to make these cute little angels. But before I forget, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification to get updated on all my tunes tutorials. Now, let's know what we need for this project before proceeding. Our materials are two colors of yarn, red and white, size medium or 4, hook size G or H is work for this, yarn needle, scissors, and one bead. Now, let's jump to our project. First, we need to make a magic ring. Chain 1, then make 20 single crochet around the magic ring. Now I have 2, 3, and 4. As you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we continue until we complete the 20 single crochet. For the second row, let's make 3 chains. Then pull through at the back to close the gap. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 double crochet. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. Also on the following stitches, let us make 2 double crochets in every stitch across the row and slip stitch at the first double crochet, which is the 3 chains that we already make. Make a slip stitch. And not yet, count 15 stitches. So we're gonna start counting here until we reach to the 15 stitches. Then on the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Then on the following 5 stitches, do a slip stitches to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now count 15 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Then on the next stitches, make last 1 slip stitch by the other side. Secure the yarn, then cut. Set aside the angel wings. And this is how it looks like. Let's make the body by wrapping up the second color around our fingers 20 times, then cut. Directly tie one end. Like this. Make sure that you tie it properly. And once you are done, cut the other ends. Then use the other string to tie it on the center. Then grab your wings. Then insert your join in the center. Grab the string from the body and pull through the center of your wing. And lastly, hold the bead. Use it as the head of the angel. And now I'm using the smaller hook to grab the yarn, and your beads is already on right top of your wings. Then tie it one time to make sure that your bead didn't come off. And your angel is done. Make sure that you need to cut all those excess yarn right here to balance the length of all those tassels. And you can use different colors too. Hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment below, and share it with your friends. Have a nice day, everyone. See you on my next video.